China just released a new voice cloning tool that is going viral, and it's called Minimax HD, and it's outperforming the big names, So the big names like Level Labs, OpenAI, in recent tests, this Minimax has outperformed them. And guess the craziest part, guys? The craziest part is that you need only 10 seconds of audio to clone any voice completely for free. You see, you don't even need to subscribe to this app or anything. It's completely free. Try to guess how it works. Let me put you through how it works. Here is how it works. Let's head up to Minimax and let's give it a try. So guys, go to your browser, type Minimax HD. From there, you create an account, and guess what? To create this account, it's completely free. You don't need to pay a dime to create an account on Minimax X2. Like I said earlier, it is a new cloning app that China just created. Trust China, guys. Now they are always ahead of technology, and they are always trying to make life easier. So you create an account and get like 5,000 characters a day. 10 seconds of clear audio. Just upload it. Did you hear that? I said 10 seconds of clear audio. You upload it on the Minimax HD. Then after that, you pick a language. And the craziest part about this app is that it supports up to 30 plus languages. So you see, it's easier for you to work with it. Just give it a rethink. It is one of the easiest way to translate your content into different languages as a content creator. So after you have uploaded the voice that you want to clone on the app, you wait for like a couple of minutes, then you have it. Your clone voice is ready. Then you can use this as a voice-over audio. You can use it as a voice-over audiobooks, customer support, or just for fun. I hope I'm able to bring a fantastic update today. Guys, if this was interesting and a valuable information to you, please subscribe to my channel and you'll be having new update every time. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you in my next video. Bye.